take your picture.
I was gonna see if I'd follow you or you follow me, sorry.
What?
I was gonna see if you follow me, but... Wow, Emmy, your head is big. I just zoomed in. And zooming out.
Sure, there's your picture.
Looks like that's going to be an intro then for our future videos.
You are.
Okay, stand back from the camera. Stand back from the camera, Matthew. Your eye is like so big. Move. Hey, mate, come back here. Go and get your sister, Matthew. Emmy's more better to look at. No, don't come close to the camera. I'm trying to do an intro to my video. Move back and try to do an intro. Okay, we don't need music. Right, hello everyone. It looks like we're going to have a bell choir today or something. Okay, music please. Camera lights action.
That's enough.
Okay, my intro to my video has gone quite bad. Okay, that was unexpected. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this before we have a mad bell ringing concert. Bye, guys.